My name's Chris. I'm a volunteer here at Elephant Nature Park's Dog Project, and I'm from the United Kingdom. So one of the main jobs that we do, we look after the clinic dogs, so dogs that have been admitted to the clinic for sickness or for a health reason. And what happens is they spend some time with us in the clinic, we look after them, they get the correct veterinary treatment from our team of vets, and then when they are better, we take them back to their homes within the park and they carry on living their lives. So we spend a lot of our time ensuring feeding, walking, cleaning the dogs in the clinic. So many animals that come here arrive in an awful condition actually. Some come with broken bones, have been involved in car accidents. Many come covered in ticks, fleas, especially dogs that have been found free roaming. We've had dogs come from puppy mills, so they've come emaciated, covered in dog excrement where they've spent most of their life in cages. They've come in a really poor condition, as you can probably imagine from lives in cages.
What's wrong with that?
He just had a seizure. Bye. About a week ago he had his first seizure, which we found him in there just screaming, shaking. Then he's been fine since then, and he's just, as we were playing with these dogs, just had another one.
น้องมีอาการชักน่าจะตกใจและตื่นเต้นตอนนี้สเตเบิลแล้ว
He makes a lot of noise.
She came disabled in the park, and we work with one dog called Daisy. Isabel saw she started to use little bit, so after a car accident, she don't use the back leg and she's incontinent, but she started to use little bit the back leg. So she decided to try and start pool therapy. We have a special therapy for disabled dog, circle, and we empty her full of water. And after weeks and weeks, Isabel did it during 2 months, and after I helped her. And one day, when we put Daisy back after this therapy, and she can walk perfectly in the water, and when we put her back in the run, one time she just like walked like a disabled and suddenly stand up by herself on the 2 feet, and we will look together and start to have the first like tears on the eyes, and wow, that's amazing.
It's very sad. There's just so many dogs that I don't want to leave. I wish I could take them all home with me, but not possible, of course. Especially dogs that might not be here when we come back. We spend a lot of our time every single day giving love to these dogs, giving them attention, taking them for walks. So it's a difficult thing leaving here. I'd like to think the dogs will miss me. I think especially now during COVID, when there isn't a steady flow of volunteers in, I think the dogs will certainly miss having us around. Due to the fact at the moment there isn't many volunteers here, we're kind of like the last set. We'll miss the dogs every day. A few dogs that I'd love to take home. Right now for me it's not possible. I would like to come back here for sure, so maybe come back and take some dogs back when we leave again maybe. We'll see.